Hey, this is Turner Bativko with Western Carolina's Masters of Entrepreneurship, Leadership, and Innovation. And I'm going to continue on with my extended elevator pitch after you've heard my elevator pitch before. Now you've come back and you want to hear a little bit more about our company, Factory 603, and what exactly we offer. So let's get into it. The problem that we mentioned before was that a lot of couples have a lot to do in their time to plan a wedding, and so our goal is to take that off of their plate. They have to find a caterer, they have to find a DJ, they have to find a photographer, they have to find a florist, they have to find somebody to do their hair the way they want it, they have to find somebody to make their cake, and there's plenty of other little things, but those are some of the major things that people have to really plan for, and they have to find people all over the place to do those jobs. And so our goal is to take that stress off their plate, to take it away from them, and be able to provide that service for them without them having to go very far to look for it. And we have a great resource for doing that. So that's the problem that we're going to try and solve. And so the solution is that we have it all, and not just that, but we have it all on site. So we have our main facility, our main venue, which is something else they have to find. But with that, they can go and find all of these other things right there on our facility, because we have little stores and warehouses that these people have shops in, that whenever they come find our venue, they can go visit those people immediately and set up times to work with them and everything. So they can take care of all of those major wedding plans immediately, right on site, with the comfort. And let me explain to you why that's so much more beneficial than having to go find a different caterer and a different photographer and a different florist and a different cake baker and DJ and everything. Because, for one thing, since they're local and they live and they work on site, there's no traveling fees. All the people are from Rocky Mount. All of them are very local people. We're able to charge less because it doesn't cost them as much to be able to come there and do business. And they have a much more consistent flow of money, so therefore they can charge less because they know that when there's a wedding at our facility, they're going to get the job. And so that's super beneficial to them, so they don't have to stress, therefore they don't have to charge you as much to utilize them. What's also amazing about having those people work for you is that you get a visual of what they've done at that facility already, so you know what to expect. And I think that's another part of the scariest thing for brides and grooms, is that they hire somebody having no clue what could actually happen in the process. And so they panic and they're stressed the whole time, like, is the DJ going to play the right songs? Is the photographer going to take good photos? Is the cake going to taste good? Is the florist going to really do all the flowers I want to? But if you look at the photos that we have from previous weddings, you'll get to see what work they've actually done and what they're capable of, and brings a lot more comfort and takes the load off of the bride and the groom. And I think that's a huge thing for bride and grooms, because these people have jobs. These people have work to do. They can't just spend all their time planning their wedding, and there's so many variables that pop up to deal with, not just with these things, but with other things, that they don't need to be spending all their time doing everything. We want to take as much off their plate as possible, but provide them as much comfort as possible. And so with that, we have trusted people, and that means that we have a confidence in our caterers and in our various other, like, photographers and everything, because we've worked with them. They understand our facility, they understand how to use our facility well, and so they will not have any problems with us because we know them well. Therefore, our people should, our guests should also not have any problems with them, and should make it a lot easier on them. And keeping on with that, the knowledge of the facility is a super important thing, because somebody from the outside might come in and they have no idea how to take good photos. They don't know where good photo shots are. They don't know like what they're allowed to do, what they're capable of. And our people do know all of those things. They're very comfortable there, and they know how to take care of you to the best of the facility's ability. And I think that's a huge thing, because you want to be taken care of extremely well. And so why not hire somebody who knows how to utilize the thing the best? It's kind of like if I was renting a home and I had people over to the rental house, a place that I borrowed for a couple days. I wouldn't feel as comfortable doing things as somebody who actually owns the house. These people own the house. Okay, so therefore they're much more comfortable doing things there, which makes your job way easier as a couple. And then this really just saves couples a whole lot of time. And like I was saying before, they have jobs, they have lives, they have work, they might be in school, who knows, but they are busy people. And so spending all the time to find these couple of people is unnecessary. It's exhausting. I've done it for multiple weddings, and it's overkill. And so we try and save them as much time as possible by, when they come to your facility, they can meet all the people, and therefore they can make the deal there and not have to worry about that stuff anymore. And then we'll work with them from there on out. So that's the big things. So now let's look at just a few other perks of our venue. So obviously that's the main thing that we provide people. But with that, we still have a venue, right? And so let's talk about just a few more things that our venue really provides people whenever they come. We do package deals. And so going back to what we were saying before about having all these people, all these caterers, photographers, floors, everything, is that we don't have to go and pay every different person. You're wondering, did I pay the florist? Did I pay the photographer? Oh, crud, did we pay the caterer for all the food? And do we get the right meal? And blah, blah. What we do is we offer package deals, and you can pay everything to us at Factory 633, and then we will pay out all of those other people because we are the main person. They're like our subcontractors, basically. And so you can see one big lump sum. You don't have to worry about every little lump sum. And then what we believe that does is it eliminates the secret expenses. So with each person comes this kind of additional charge here, additional charge there, additional charge here. And so we want you to know exactly what you're paying. And yes, that number can be large, but it doesn't secretly creep up on you. You know it's coming, and we're trying to be honest and upfront with people. And so we want to tell you, it's going to cost you $15,000, or it's going to cost you $17,000 to have everything at your wedding, as opposed to some people are like, well, it only costs $4,000 for the photographer, and then it costs $8,000 for the catering, and then it costs $3,000 for the venue, and then all those numbers add up real fast. And with them, each person has their own they have their own deal with you, and so you have to keep track of all that stuff. And we're trying to eliminate that by keeping it very simple with package deals, and so you can choose what level you want or what all you want included in it. And so we can work through all of those things. The facility has one purpose. So our facility, we built it. We didn't just refurbish some old industrial place, but we built it for the sake of weddings. So it's literally meant to have your wedding in it, and that's a big deal because a lot of facilities, especially in Rocky Mount, do not really fit the mold of how you'd want to shape your wedding. They're big areas somewhat, but they're either way too huge, or they have a weird shape about them, or they have weird characteristics that kind of make it uncomfortable. And so our facility is literally built for weddings and events. It's meant to host them. It's meant to fit people extremely well and comfortably and have a flow to everything about it. And so we think that makes a big deal because it also makes you organizing the day of your wedding a whole lot more simple. It's not having to think through, well, we could do this, we could do that. It's saying, well, here's a bunch of options that we already know exist because that's how we purpose this building, and they're very effective. And so it'll create the ideal photos, it'll create ideal catering capabilities, it'll create a great place to hang flowers, lights, everything. It's not just refurbished, it is literally purposed for this. And we think that's a big deal as well because we want people to have the best time of their wedding, and we want them to get the best photos and have the smoothest everything happen for them. All right. The big thing for us, especially for me and my wife, was that we made it handicap and elderly friendly. We've walked around a bunch of places in the area and all throughout North Carolina, and a lot of them are not handicap and elderly friendly. They were refurbished and they have a lot of steps, or they have difficult entrances. They're a long walk to the facility. But ours will be, you can drop elderly people off right at the front. Everything is on one level. There's capabilities going up to upper levels, but they're not necessary. And so people do not have to access those, and then we can even work out ways to get them up there. But we can keep it very elderly friendly because we know that at a wedding, your grandparents are going to be there, hopefully. Your parents who may have illnesses, people you care about will be there, and we want to make sure those people are extremely well taken care of. And we don't want them to feel out of place. We want them to feel like they're burdensome. We want them to feel like they're extremely loved by you guys and by any couples who come. And so that's such a huge deal to us because we love our grandparents and we love our parents and we love all the people who are going to be at our wedding. And so we want to make sure that everyone feels good when they're there. Maybe the most important thing also is that you can party all night long. You've rented this place. It's a 24-hour rental. So from midnight the night before to the midnight that night, it's your facility. You guys can stay as late as you want. You can do all you want. You can hang out and go all night and dance with all your buddies. And that's one of the most memorable things about a wedding, is that you just go on and on and on and on. You keep dancing until your legs can't handle it anymore. And so that's what we offer, is that you can party all night long, because that's what this is, the big celebration of you and your spouse coming together. And then another extremely important thing to us is that our facility is back some from the road, and we believe that creates a friends and family only facility. And that's great, because I do not want to have a wedding where someone shows up who I don't know and is at our wedding and is walking around and trying to have a good time, and we're all confused as to why they're even there. Wedding crashers are not okay. And on top of that, just people walking around and you don't know who they are and they can disturb the peace. We don't think that's okay either. We want you to feel very comfortable where you're at. We don't want you to be worried about somebody else showing up. And so we keep it. We'll have a police officer there to make sure nobody unwanted comes. And on top of that, we're so secluded that people would not just be able to stumble upon it. They would have to purposely show up to our venue. It's not far off the highway or anything like that. It's just off of the road a little bit from the main road. So people would have to purposely pull in to go there. There's nothing else really, no other stores really near it. And so we think that's huge, because it gives you the privacy you deserve on your day without any issues possibly popping up. So that being said, come visit us sometime. Come check us out. Come stop by, meet our vendors. And we would love to have you come to your wedding there, or we'd love to get you involved in some way. Just come by, and we appreciate you taking the time to hear this pitch.